Facial puffiness, muscle tension, and dull-looking skin are common problems many people deal with, especially with stress, lack of sleep, and environmental exposure. Even with a good skincare routine, the skin can sometimes look tired and swollen. That's where a Gua Sha tool can make a noticeable difference. Gua Sha massage helps stimulate circulation, promote lymphatic drainage, and improve skincare absorption. When used consistently, it can help the skin appear more sculpted, refreshed, and smooth. In this guide, we're exploring some of the best Gua Sha tools designed to support facial massage and healthier-looking skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, BAIMEI Gua Sha Treatment. The BAIMEI Gua Sha Treatment is designed for individuals who want a reliable facial massage tool that supports lymphatic drainage and facial sculpting. Facial tension and fluid buildup can make the skin appear swollen or tired, especially around the jawline and under-eye area. This Gua Sha tool focuses on delivering smooth scraping motions across the skin to encourage circulation and promote a more refreshed complexion. Key features. The BAIMEI Gua Sha treatment includes a polished natural stone surface designed to glide smoothly across the skin. The ergonomic curved edges allow users to perform controlled facial massage techniques along the jawline, cheekbones, and neck. The tool's smooth texture helps reduce friction when used with facial oils or serums. Benefits and usage. The BAIMEI Gua Sha treatment helps reduce puffiness and improve facial circulation through gentle scraping movements. Many users incorporate it into their skincare routine after applying facial oils to help a tool glide easily. Regular use may help relax facial muscles and support a more sculpted facial appearance. Usability. The BAIMEI Gua Sha treatment is simple to use during daily skincare routines. Users hold the tool at a slight angle and gently glide it upward along the contours of the face and neck. The curved edges allow targeted massage across different facial areas. Durability. The BAIMEI Gua Sha treatment is made from durable natural stone designed to withstand repeated use. The polished surface maintains smooth contact with the skin over time. Proper cleaning and storage help preserve the tool's performance. In the second spot, we have Stainless Steel Facial Tool. The stainless steel facial tool is designed for individuals who prefer a modern Gua Sha alternative made from stainless steel instead of natural stone. Traditional stone tools provide cooling benefits, but stainless steel versions offer durability and easy sanitation. This tool focuses on delivering precise facial massage movements while maintaining a hygienic and long-lasting design. Key features. The stainless steel facial tool includes a polished metal surface designed to glide smoothly across the skin. The tool's contoured shape allows users to perform facial sculpting techniques along the jawline, cheeks, and forehead. The stainless steel construction also provides a naturally cooling sensation during use. Benefits and usage. The stainless steel facial tool helps promote circulation and reduce facial puffiness through gentle scraping movements. Many users apply facial oils before using the tool to ensure smooth movement across the skin. The cooling metal surface can also help calm the skin during massage. Usability. The stainless steel facial tool is easy to incorporate into daily skincare routines. Users hold the tool at a shallow angle and perform upward strokes along the facial contours. The ergonomic design allows precise control during massage sessions. Durability. The stainless steel facial tool offers excellent durability due to its metal construction. Unlike stone tools, stainless steel resists chipping or cracking. With proper cleaning after use, the tool maintains its polished surface and performance. Coming in at number 3 is the Plantifique Terahertz tool. The Plantifique Terahertz tool is designed for individuals seeking a unique Gua Sha tool made from Terahertz stone, a material known for its smooth texture and modern skincare appeal. Facial massage tools are widely used to improve circulation and reduce puffiness. This tool focuses on delivering consistent scraping motions while maintaining a sleek and durable design. Key features. The Plantifique Terahertz tool includes a polished Terahertz stone surface designed to glide effortlessly across the skin. The sculpted edges allow users to perform targeted facial massage techniques around the jawline, cheekbones, and temples. The smooth material ensures minimal friction when used with facial oils. Benefits and usage. The Plantifique Terahertz tool helps stimulate blood circulation and support lymphatic drainage through gentle massage movements. Many users incorporate it into their evening skincare routine to help relax facial muscles and improve product absorption. Usability. The Plantifique Terahertz tool is easy to handle and control due to its ergonomic shape.
Users glide the tool upward along the face using light pressure to help reduce tension and improve skin appearance. Durability. The Plantifique Terahertz tool is built with durable Terahertz stone that resists wear during repeated use. The polished surface maintains smooth contact with the skin. Proper cleaning helps extend the longevity of the tool.
Taking our fourth spot is Plantifique Rose Quartz. The Plantifique Rose Quartz is designed for individuals who prefer traditional stone facial massage tools that combine skincare benefits with a calming massage experience. Rose Quartz has been widely used in facial massage because of its smooth texture and naturally cool surface. This gua sha tool focuses on helping reduce facial tension while encouraging circulation and lymphatic drainage, allowing the skin to appear refreshed and more sculpted with regular use. Key features: the Plantifique Rose Quartz includes a polished rose quartz stone shaped with curved edges that follow the natural contours of the face. The ergonomic structure allows users to perform different gua sha techniques on areas such as the jawline, cheekbones, forehead, and neck. The smooth surface works effectively with facial oils and serums to minimize friction during massage. Benefits and usage: the Plantifique Rose Quartz helps support facial relaxation and reduce puffiness caused by fluid buildup. Many users incorporate it into their evening skincare routine after applying facial oil to enhance glide. Consistent use can help improve circulation while supporting a smoother and more lifted-looking complexion. Usability: the Plantifique Rose Quartz is easy to incorporate into both morning and evening skincare routines. Users glide the curved edges along the face in upward strokes while applying gentle pressure. The comfortable size allows precise control during facial sculpting movements. Durability: the Plantifique Rose Quartz is made from solid rose quartz stone designed to withstand repeated use. The polished finish resists scratching and maintains smooth contact with the skin. With regular cleaning and careful storage, the tool remains reliable for long-term skincare routines.
At number 5, we have Yeamon Stainless Sculpting. The Yeamon Stainless Sculpting is designed for individuals who prefer a modern gua sha tool made from stainless steel instead of traditional stone. Stainless steel tools have become popular because of their durability and hygienic properties. This sculpting tool focuses on providing controlled massage movements that help improve circulation while supporting facial contour massage. Key features: the Yeamon Stainless Sculpting includes a contoured stainless steel design that follows the natural structure of the face. The polished metal surface allows smooth movement across the skin while providing a naturally cooling sensation. The sturdy structure also prevents cracking or chipping that can occur with some stone tools. Benefits and usage: the Yeamon Stainless Sculpting helps stimulate blood circulation and reduce facial puffiness through gentle scraping techniques. Many users apply facial oils before massage to improve glide and enhance skincare absorption. The cooling metal surface can also help soothe the skin during massage sessions. Usability: the Yeamon Stainless Sculpting is designed for easy control during facial massage. Users hold the tool at a shallow angle and glide it along the jawline, cheeks, and neck with upward strokes. The ergonomic shape allows comfortable handling during longer massage sessions. Durability: the Yeamon Stainless Sculpting offers excellent durability due to its stainless steel construction. The material resists damage and maintains its polished surface with proper cleaning. With regular maintenance, the tool continues delivering consistent performance.
Taking the 9th position is Plantifique Stainless Massager. The Plantifique Stainless Massager is designed for individuals who prefer a gua sha alternative made from stainless steel rather than traditional stone materials. Stainless steel tools offer enhanced durability and are easy to clean, making them a popular option for modern skincare routines. This massager focuses on delivering controlled facial massage movements while providing a cooling sensation on the skin. Key features: the Plantifique Stainless Massager includes a polished stainless steel surface that allows smooth gliding across the skin. The contoured edges follow the natural shape of the face, making it easier to perform sculpting techniques along the jawline, cheekbones, and forehead. The metal material also provides a naturally cool feeling during massage. Benefits and usage: the Plantifique Stainless Massager helps reduce puffiness and improve circulation through gentle scraping movements. Many users apply facial oils or serums before massage to help the tool glide smoothly across the skin. The cooling metal surface can also help calm irritated skin. Usability: the Plantifique Stainless Massager is simple to incorporate into skincare routines. Users hold the tool at a slight angle and glide it upward across facial areas. The ergonomic design allows precise control during massage movements. Durability:
The Plantifique stainless massager offers excellent durability due to its stainless steel construction. The metal surface resists cracking, chipping, or wear that may occur with stone tools. With regular cleaning, the massager remains effective for long-term use.
And finally, we have Mount Lai Amethyst tool. The Mount Lai Amethyst tool is designed for individuals who want a premium gua sha tool made from amethyst stone. Amethyst has become popular in skincare tools because of its smooth texture and elegant appearance. This gua sha tool focuses on delivering controlled facial massage movements that help promote circulation and support a refreshed skin appearance. Key features. The Mount Lai Amethyst tool includes a polished amethyst stone surface shaped with curved edges that follow facial contours. The design allows targeted massage along the cheekbones, jawline, temples, and neck. The smooth stone surface works effectively with facial oils and serums. Benefits and usage. The Mount Lai Amethyst tool helps support lymphatic drainage and reduce facial puffiness through gentle scraping movements. Many users incorporate it into their evening skincare routine to relax facial muscles and enhance the absorption of skincare products. Usability. The Mount Lai Amethyst tool is designed for comfortable handling during facial massage. Users glide the curved edges across the face using upward strokes while applying gentle pressure. The compact size allows easy control for precise massage techniques. Durability. The Mount Lai Amethyst tool is made from durable amethyst stone that maintains its polished surface during repeated use. The solid construction helps prevent chipping while maintaining smooth contact with the skin. Proper cleaning and storage ensure long-lasting performance. Gua sha tools have become a valuable addition to many skincare routines because they help promote circulation, reduce puffiness, and support facial relaxation. By encouraging lymphatic drainage and improving product absorption, these tools can help the skin appear more sculpted and refreshed over time. The gua sha tools featured in this guide offer a variety of materials and designs that make facial massage simple and effective. Choosing the right gua sha tool and using it consistently can enhance your skincare routine while supporting healthier, more radiant-looking skin.